Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up this little wooden triangle game. As little pegs go in the holes, you got to see if you can get them all out but one. Not an easy game. We'll show you how it works. Here it is, wooden triangle game. Now we'll show you what to do with this little game. Let's unload this little guy. All right, there's your triangle with the holes and all in it. It says one peg left is 1,000 points. Two pegs left is 500 points. Three pegs is 250. 4 points is 100. All right. Get all your little golf tees. They call them tags, but they're golf tees. That's what they are. What you're going to do is fill up the holes, all but one hole. All right. What you're going to do is fill up all but one of the holes with these little tees. They call them tags, but they're actually golf tees. Easily to make these games if you're a woodworker. All right, fill up the holes and just leave one spot open. Once we get them full, we're going to start jumping each other and remove the ones you jump. Whoops. And try to get down to one peg. Like that, remove him. Okay, now what? Remove him. Sometimes you gotta stop and think, do I jump this one or jump this one? If I jump this one, it leaves me a move. I jump that one, it doesn't. So watch what you're doing, okay? There we go. Jump them, remove them. It's like a checkerboard. Well, wait a minute, let's think about this. Him. Whoops. Oops. You gotta be careful, they fall out. Well, come on, Wayne. Watch your hands. Well, I'm down to 5. I think I put that in the wrong spot, but 4. All right. All right, put them back in here now. 4 pegs left is 100 points. Okay. 3 pegs is 250. 2 pegs is 500, and 1 peg is 1,000. So if you're playing against a partner or one of your friends or something, you can keep score. See who's better. Let's put all these back in here. You get your choice of where you want to leave the open spot. Alright, what are we going to do? Alright, I left the open spot right there, so let's see what we can do here. Jump him, alright. Might want to hold the board down with the other hand there, so you saw I was knocking them over. Well, you see, sometimes they stick in the hole a little bit and you wind up knocking them over. So jump him. Well, let's see. Jump him. Lets me jump the yellow one. I think we're in very good shape here, are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, didn't do too good. Well, I can jump one right there and make it 5. Jump one, make it 4. There we go. What was 4? I think 4 was 100 points. Yeah, 3 is 250. 2 is 500. 1's 1,000. All right, put them back in. Maybe we need to adjust which hole we leave open here. Where are we going to leave it open? Let's see. In the back row right there instead of a corner. See what we can do here. Okay. Now when you're playing with an opponent, you know, you get your choice of which open spot and he gets his, or her gets hers, whichever. Well, let's see. Him. Pull the red one out. Right. Uh-oh, let's see. Think we're, well, let's see. I think we're in trouble. No, we opened up a spot right there, didn't we? I think we'll jump the green one. There we go. Move him down there. We're down to 4. We can get down to 3. Look at there. So that's 250 points. Put them back together. Now these are available on Amazon. You can go check it out. That's where I got this one. There's a link in the description below. Just click that link. It'll take you over to Amazon to these games. Go check them out. Y'all leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of it. What's the best you've ever done? 3's about the best I've done here. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any. I got a lot more games up there and more coming. Check them out. Tricky Triangle. If you've played this game yet, check it out. Remember, I got a link on Amazon. Go check it out. It'll show you the game. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any. See you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.